Okay then, so today we're going to make a pilau rice. We're going to do a mixed vegetable pilau rice. You can use fresh vegetables for this. In this case we're just using a cupful of mixed frozen vegetables. Some of the other things we've got here, we've got a couple of onions, we've got some ghee, we've got a little bit of salt, we've got our usual crushed ginger and crushed garlic, about a teaspoon of each of them, 2 green chilies. So in here we've got 4 cups of water, and in which we've dissolved a vegetable stock cube. You can use chicken stock, or you could extract your own stock from meat or whatever, but in this case we've just got 4 cups of water and a stock cube. Over here we've got some spices over here. We've got 2 bay leaves, we've got up to 10 black peppercorns, we've got 3 cardamom pods, we've got some Jeera seeds, about a teaspoon of them, a black cardamom, 2 small star anise, and about 4 or 5 cloves. Okay then, and over here we've got 2 cups of basmati rice, about the size of this cup. We've washed and strained it all thoroughly.
Put 3 tablespoons of ghee, and 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 cardamoms, Jeera, Cumin seeds, the black cardamom, star anise, cloves, and the peppercorns. Put the onions in. Give it a stir and cook the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add a bit of salt to brown the onions. Onions are fried and a bit translucent. Add the ginger and garlic. Add the ginger and garlic. Give it a stir. Add a bit of the stock. And fry the ginger and garlic till the raw smell goes, you know. Now it's cooked for about 2 minutes and all the raw smell is gone. You add the mixed veg. Now it's gone dry, you add your rice. And give it a stir and mix all the ingredients into the rice. The spices, ginger and garlic and onion. And just wait for about a minute for it all to soak in the rice. You add all your stock in. And then you add your chilies. Let the rice bubble on high heat. Let the rice cook in the stock until it bubbles. Now it's bubbling. You put the lid on and lower the heat till all the liquid is absorbed. And let it cook for about 5 minutes. The water's nearly absorbed. Yeah? And you put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Put the lid back and turn off the gas. Put it in the oven for about 15 minutes on gas mark 6 to finish it off for cooking. There we go. Now it's 15 minutes, you go get it out, get the rice out. There we are, it's ready.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell.